Valentine's Day in 1984 when the world watched two ice skaters from Nottingham dance to Bolero in Sarajevo, flawless in front of millions. Torvill and Dean's Olympic gold medals said so. Now, 30 years on, in similar outfits, the pair who met when they were just 10 years old are back in Bosnia, rehearsing here to recreate that exact routine tonight. Speaking ahead of the skate, Torvill and Dean told the world it's been emotional.
You don't realise a certain day in your life can impact the rest of your life. And that day changed our life forever.
It was special for us at the time, and as you've already said, it was great for the city of Sarajevo to have the Olympics here.
Make love Of course, it's not quite the dizzy heights of Sarajevo, but we have seen the duo do their thing on Dancing on Ice recently. Credited with making skating more mainstream, the pair have opened ice rinks across the country.
Including this ice rink in London, where on Valentine's Eve we asked the people of Britain to recreate the Bolero. Who says romance is dead? Take me away. OK, whoa, 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 whoa. Go, 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 go. Woo! How are we going to get up?
As for the actual professionals, the pair say they'll retire later this year. Tonight, though, they'll be hoping to recreate the magic which made them not just Christopher and Jane, but Torvill and Dean. Minnie Stevenson, Channel 5 News.